Hello friends, welcome to my channel Travel and Watches, and today we are going to have an unboxing video of an interesting watch by Longines called Longines Spirit Zulu Time. So I have a lot of Swiss watches, but this is one of my favorites. Somehow I like it very much. So I thought of showing you the unboxing video, which so this is the one which I have recently purchased. So it comes in a box like this, which is a typical luxury watch box, not like Rolexes, but still. And it has a like the Apple unboxing kind of thing. It unboxes like this. So here we are, there's a cleaning cloth, and there's a beautiful lacquered finish box. It has a space over here for a booklet, which you might have seen. It's a very thick booklet or instruction manual by Longines, which is available in certain markets, I believe, because in many international markets it is not available because they have to be shipped, and shipping is all about weight because weight is cost. So probably that's why for cost cutting they might have done away with it. So here we are. So if you open it, this is what we are getting. Okay, it has Longines written over here, and on this side we have the watch Longines Spirit Zulu Time. So before we open it and get into the details, let's check out the box. So the box has got some other things. For example, they've replaced that booklet that I was talking about with a instruction manual, which is almost negligible. It does not have much things, maybe just 2-3 lines. So it says Longines is delighted to have you have chosen a timepiece from a collection worthy of the long established expertise of the brand, which has been based in Saint-Imier since 1832. So it is one of the oldest watch brands in the world. The company started by two brothers in 1832 in Switzerland as a workshop in 1832, and Longines is still the oldest surviving trademark registered with the World Intellectual Property Organization, or WIPO. So that is precisely the history or the origin of Longines. It comes with two other things. So one is the international warranty. So this is Longines international warranty card, and then this watch is a COSC or chronometer certified watch. So what is a chronometer certified watch? If you get this certification, which is individually numbered, that means every watch is certified under this chronometer certificate. So each one is individually numbered and a certificate is given to it. So that means you can assume that it will have one of the best accuracies that is possible amongst all the watches. So let's keep this away and let's go for the watch. So here we are with the watch, and I've zoomed in to have a better clarity. So here's our watch. So there are three colors available in this. One is black, other is blue, and this is the anthracite dial. Now this anthracite dial is the one which I liked most, and that's why I purchased it. So it's a 42 diameter watch, and with gold applied indices markers, and a ceramic bezel of beret green or military green color. It's a aviation watch. It has a GMT complication. Uh, it has GMT L844 caliber, which is originally a ETA caliber but exclusively made for Longines. So this particular version is not made by for any other watchmaker by ETA, or later on it is claimed that Longines is developing or has already developed its own caliber. Anyways, this is still a very good caliber with excellent performance and excellent accuracy. So if we go into a bit details about it, so as I said, it's a 42 watch, which is quite good size for like quite a number of people, unless you have a small wrist. And it has a thickness of 13.9 millimeter sapphire crystal, domed sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating on both the sides. It has Longines logo over here. It is engraved. And a very nice brushed and polished finish on the case, which is a stainless steel case. And this is a bracelet version. The bracelet is very nice. It is very soft on the hands also, and when you wear it, it is absolute breeze. It's very comfortable. Okay, it has a milled clasp, a very simple no-brainer clasp of fairly good quality, and plain simple Longines written over here. It does not have a see-through case back, but it has another unique feature. So that unique feature is it has a quick release for the bracelet. Like this. So it can be very easily released, and here we can see it is showing Zulu time. Longines is made. It has 10 bar water resistance, and if you just again place it, so I'm not used to it, but I hope I'll be able to place it properly. Okay, sometimes a simple thing can also be tricky. Here we go. Okay, that's it. So if you look at the movement of the the hands, it has very beautiful gold finish, and the outlines of the borders are made of like gold plated at least. It has a unidirectional rotating bezel with just 24 clicks, which is fair enough. It is quite precise. Here, one more thing which I liked about this watch is it has 5 stars made of gold. So it gives you a feeling of like a 5-star general in the army. So somehow, like, I like it. I'm not sure about you. So this is where we have the Longines Spirit Zulu Time automatic GMT L844 caliber watch, and let's go for a loom shot before we enter into like checking out on the hand or on the wrist how does it look like. Okay, so give me a sec. So here we go for a loom shot. As you can see, the loom is very nice. It's great. And it's surviving also, it's not like going away anywhere. So this is how it looks like on my 7.25 inch wrist. I have resized it. This is how it looks like. So let me tell you, it's very comfortable on the hand, and you will never feel that it has any sort of discomfort or anything, and it feels very nice on the hand. Okay, so that's it for today, friends. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel, that is Travel and Watches, and I'll keep coming with such interesting videos of unique watches. Thank you, and bye bye.